Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Cardano, ADA, from your Phantom wallet to KuCoin in 2025. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any crypto tips. Phantom Wallet is popular for managing various cryptocurrencies, and KuCoin is a reliable exchange for trading. Let's get started. First things first, ensure you have everything set up. You'll need a Phantom wallet with ADA in it, double-check your balance, and a verified KuCoin account. Also, make sure you're aware of any network fees or minimum withdrawal amounts, as these can change. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet app or extension. Log in securely and navigate to your ADA holdings. Look for the Send or Withdraw option. It's usually straightforward. Here, you'll enter the recipient address, which is your KuCoin deposit address for ADA. To get that, hop over to KuCoin's website. Log into KuCoin, go to your wallet section and select ADA. Copy the deposit address provided. Make sure it's for the Cardano network to avoid any errors. Paste this address back into Phantom wallet. Double-check everything. The address, the amount you're sending, and the network, it should be Cardano's blockchain. Next, confirm the transaction in Phantom. You'll likely need to approve it with your wallet's security features, like a password or biometric verification. Once sent, track the transaction on a blockchain explorer like CardanoScan to ensure it's processing correctly. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. A quick tip. Always start with a small test amount to verify everything works smoothly, especially in 2025 when crypto regulations might have evolved. Be cautious of phishing sites and keep your private keys secure. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw ADA from Phantom to KuCoin. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.